The Space Force, as we know, is flush with cash. We just weren't sure how flush they were, because they're seeking to actually buy. You read it there first. $30 billion in launches.
Yeah. Again, that's only a fraction of the $600 billion available for Golden Dome.
Yeah. Well, that's 5%. That's a healthy chunk.
Yep.
Would you like 5% of that?
I would be quite happy with that. Yeah.
A 0.5% of that would build the elevator. So
right. A fraction, sure. $30 billion, right? So there's kind of two paths. There's the ultra cool, a high stakes security version that really needs reliability, and then there's the second path, lane 2, that's open to a couple other the stoked spaces and the relativities and the impulses and Rocket Lab.
Rocket Labs, all those guys.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised that Rocket Lab is not eligible for the first lane, because those are the tried and true people, and I kind of feel like, so lane 1 is SpaceX, ULA, and Blue Origin. Lane 2 is Rocket Lab, Stoke, Relativity, and Impulse. I would definitely put Relativity, Impulse, and Stoke in lane 2 for sure. They're very much in development. But I wonder what it takes to get Rocket Lab into lane 1. I wonder if that's
you have to launch from America.
I was just about to say, is it quasi?
That's it.
That's it. That's the answer.
That's it. Okay. As my pool buddy tells me, that's it. That's the shot. Take that shot. And so, yeah.
25 lane 2 missions, 25 missions, and then lane 1 is 30 missions. That's pretty neat. I mean, that's one contract for 55 missions, all projected out to 2029. So it's going to be a while for these things, but
that's most and half of that's got to be payload, because it's not all launch. I mean, that's still almost $500 million a pop,
right?
A little more than $500 million a pop for each one of those.
Yeah,
if you spend it all. So, what's in those payloads? It's so expensive because launch is not going to cost that much,
right?
Anymore.
Well, President Trump is aiming for $71 billion for Space Force in fiscal 27, up from $40 billion this year. Remember when Space Force was lucky to get $8 billion and they thought, woohoo, look at us with $8 billion, right? And now they're aiming for $71 billion.
And they got everybody they recruited at first. They were all, ex-Air Force IT jocks have been flying on a console, for their careers. And now they get to have an elevated status, but they're still doing the same thing.
And there's more of them doing it, right?
Yep. Yeah, I met a few. They're cool people, actually. They're very cool people.